Guys, so we're gonna get a new set of nails on my client. She hasn't done them in many years, and this is the before, and I will come back and show you what we're doing towards the end. So we're taking the length off the nails. So today we're going to be doing sculpted nails. The process is cutting the nails, doing our cuticle, take the shine off the nails, defat the nails, dehydrate them, prepped it with the bonder, put our foils, nail forms, and then we will sculpt beautiful nails. And we'll be back. Now I'm just going to shape the nails and we'll start in a little bit. Alright guys, I wanted to draw attention to the nails, how I've prepped them. I want you to notice that they look dry and chalky. That's been defatted, it's been disinfected. I have this homemade antiseptic spray that I make, and I have used my pH balancing solution on it, and now I'm going to use my protein bond on it. So with the protein bond, it acts like a Velcro for the nails, or double stick tape. So what you're going to do is you're going to apply 2 coats to the nail. So we'll go through the first round, do the second round, then we're going to get the nails ready for sculpting. So we'll be right back. Alright guys, so I've started putting the nail forms on my client. Now you will have to sometimes adjust the base of the forms according to the nail, if it's flat, if it's higher on one side. So this one is just perfectly round. What I've done is I've taken the form and I've curled it a little bit. I opened it on top. Now I'm pinching the ends together, and we're simply going to go under the nail, lift it up, make sure it's properly into the nail, and fold our tabs over, pinching the bottom, and there you have a perfect fit on the nail with the form. Okay guys, so I'm back. I wanted to show you our progress. I've already sculpted these 4. They're not shaped yet and they haven't been buffed or filed, but I just wanted to show you that this is how the nail is looking on the form. And now I'm going to be removing it. And I like to pinch the sides just to give it extra strength here. Alright guys, so I'll come back when the nails are shaped and ready to get polished. And this is the other hand that is ready to be sculpted, and we'll continue. Alright guys, let me show you how far we've gotten. I started filing these nails with my electric file. I haven't filed them yet or buffed them. And now we're going to start shaping these with the electric file. So I have have this right here. So what we're going to do is we're going to go down, contouring the nail like a natural nail. Gently around the cuticles, never touching the skin. My nail drill bit is from Young Nails. It's an X-cut drill bit, medium. Alright guys, so I'll continue doing this, and when I come back we'll be polishing. Alright guys, these are the nails. Beautiful sculpted nails that I created for my client. I hope you like it. Now we're here debating on what color polish we're gonna do, so we're just gonna go with this nice chocolate color, and we'll show you what it looks like when we're done. Okay guys, so here are the nails. They're completed. We have a matte with a shiny glossy tip, and here is the completed full set. Well, I hope you've enjoyed watching the little process step by step, and that it inspires you and it makes you want to try something with sculpting nails. Look how beautiful. Alright guys, thank you for watching. If you've enjoyed this tutorial, please give it a thumbs up and share with your friends. And don't forget to subscribe.